Hi everyone, in this video we talk about the import and export features of Methodox Threads. Typically when you are working with generative AI and representing conversations using threads, you will have something like this. So here I have an example here, and as you can see I have created some conversational threads and they're represented roughly in this fashion. If we change the root height, and you can see I have created a few branches here, and I can even create more branches and with a sibling, or actually sibling here, right? So we have some stuff going on here. Now if you just save this one, you will get the JSON file, and if we take a look at the JSON file, you can see it's very straightforward with a tree-like structure, but this is not very friendly for version control because everything is represented as a single string. So instead what we want to do is to export each conversation, or rather each component of the conversation. In this case we have the user prompt and the AI result. You want to save each of them as a separate document. That is where the export feature comes into play. So here if we export it, you need to pick a empty folder and then select the folder. That way you export everything into the folder. And if we open the folder, you can see it's organized using this kind of a convention. So for every conversation you have a Q and the A part. The Q part represents the user message and the A part represents the agent reply. And then for all the branches you have those folders, and within each folder you have another Q and A, and with this one, which we have the most complicated structure here, you have further branches and further contents here. You can not only export, you can also import. So here for for2, remember previously we didn't set the prompt, right? So we didn't set the prompt here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to manually create it for Q. So I say this is the user message for Q, and I'm going to save it. Now we can create a new project. Actually I just want to clear everything out, and then you can just import it. And then I'm going to select the root folder, select the folder, and you can see we have everything here. And the user message will go to this one here. So that is, in a nutshell, how do you use the import and export feature. Thank you.